The MAXHUB XT20-PS Kit combines intelligent features with easy setup for Microsoft Teams rooms in medium to large spaces. It offers premium video, clear audio, and intuitive control. Dual-lens 4K cameras, AI-driven microphones, a sleek touch console, and a powerful mini PC deliver a seamless meeting experience. For a fully optimized Microsoft Teams room setup, pair the kit with the Microsoft-certified MAXHUB X board, an interactive display running Windows 11 IoT Enterprise, designed specifically for dedicated Teams rooms functionality. It also supports ultra-wide 5K screens with the native front row layout. The MTR kit supports dual displays and one-click wireless sharing with the optional dongle, or 4K via cable, with no cable clutter. For larger rooms, an optional second console gives more participants access to controls, wherever they're seated. Installation is simple. One Cat5e or Cat6a cable connects the touch console to the mini PC, with PO+ and plug-and-play functionality for a quick, clean setup. The dual-lens camera captures wide angles and zooms in with precision. Auto-framing, speaker tracking, and presenter tracking keep everyone in focus, naturally and automatically. The UCB-M45 speakerphone ensures 360 degrees voice pickup with eye noise suppression and echo cancellation for clear, uninterrupted audio. Need more coverage? Daisy-chain multiple BM45 units for larger rooms, with consistent sound throughout. Full duplex audio allows natural conversations, while the 11.6-inch touch console offers one-touch meeting control. With Pivot software, IT teams can manage and update devices remotely, from anywhere. This kit simplifies deployment and enhances hybrid collaboration, making Microsoft Teams rooms work better for everyone. Electrosonic South Africa, established in 1991, is the leading distributor of Microsoft-certified Teams room solutions in Southern Africa. Our range of MTR bundles is designed to suit any space, from compact huddle rooms to large corporate boardrooms.